The Biolite camping stove set comes with a coffee press, bottle, grill, works off wood, has LED lights for the power, fan, and energy being put out. Works in all types of conditions. Has high output, eats a lot of wood, so any wood you throw in there has to be thick pieces of wood. No twigs, has to be thick branches or chunks of wood. It will eat all the wood. Comes with an LED light, very bright at night. The coal embers once it's done. There's the LEDs, fan, heat, and battery power, where you can throw the grill plate on and add more wood. Cooking on the grill with different types of meat. The closer you get to the center, the faster the meat cooks and the hotter it is. The more you put it away from the center, the less heat it gets and it cooks slower. The fan speed helps the wood burn better. As you can see, the whirlwind effect. Kind of burnt the meat on that one, just a little. Put a pot, frying pan, kettle, Pathfinder Canteen bottle, or a Canteen cup on the set. As you're cooking, you can heat up the water if necessary, or if you're trying to clean the water from any bacteria or nastiness that's inside.